Welcome back learners to the course of e-commerce technology, and today we are going to understand the concept of registering a domain name. So this concept is very important towards your examination. In a very first part of this domain concept, we will understand what is the domain, what is exact use of domain, and how you can register a domain practically with domain service provider. So without wasting a time, we are directly start. What is domain name? So we said a domain name is your website name, right? A domain name is the address where internet users can access your website. In a very cool mind, in a very simple way, you understand a domain name is your website name. Simply. And the internet provides n number of domain name with specific address where users can access your website simply. A domain name is used to finding and identifying computers on the internet, right? And how it is find? Computers uses IP addresses which are a series of number where IP stand for internet protocol. So obviously domain name is specially used to find the website name or identifying the computer name where the website or the server is stored. Computer uses to find such kind of a website. Computer uses the address which is called as IP, internet protocol address, which is nothing but a series of number in the form of number like 1.2.26, 6.1.26, like that. However, it is difficult for humans to remember strings of number. Because of this, domain names were developed and used to identify entities on the internet rather than using IP addresses. Obviously, while remembering the series of number, it is difficult for human, but human are so familiar with the name of the website. It is easy to understand and easy to communicate with computers. That is why IP addresses is replaced by the name of website. Moving forward, the domain name must be registered before you can use it. Obviously, if you want to find out your website name, it should be registered with the domain service provider. Every domain name is unique. No two websites can have the same domain name. Obviously, we take it a simple example of a class where 20-30 students are there and every single students having their own roll number, and no single roll number is used for two students because every student is unique with your unique roll number. Same like every website having their own unique domain name, we can't replace the same name for another website, and every website having unique two IP addresses. So with the example we understand it, if someone types in www.yourdomain.com, it will go to the website. Obviously, if we type it on address bar, right? So in upcoming session, we will practically understand how you can book the domain and how you can change the domain extension also. Professional emails at your domain name can also help you boost your credibility and build your brand. Obviously, if you having a very good brand, we take the example of our college. If you want to make our website and we have the name of our brand is Sanjeevani, so domain services and hosting services provide the personal email addresses to your website like abc at the rate sanjeevani.com, where Sanjeevani is the name of your brand and abc is the department of any department, and you can create it to increase your credibility, right? It will help you to build your brand. So last but not the least, we have to understand the basic definition of domain name, which is commonly asked to your examination. A domain name is a unique name that identifies the website. As we know that a domain name is nothing but the name of the website, where the website is in the form of internet protocol. When you access a website, the domain name is usually or actually translated to an IP addresses which defines the server where the website is located. Right. So we understand that the website is nothing but the combination of number which is called as the IP addresses, and the IP addresses are stored into a server. When you type the name of the website, it will access that IP address, and the data which are stored to the server will show you on your website, right? Whenever you visit a website, the domain name appears in the address bar of the web browser. Obviously, if you find out a website name, I usually replace that sentence that every website name is unique, every IP address is unique. So you have to remember the name with proper spelling of the website. So to the next point, some domain names are preceded by www, which is not the part of domain name, but it will be a source of internet. All the domain names have a domain suffix such as .com, .net, .org, and much more. .name shows a commercial website is there. .net shows the networking area, networking extension. .org shows the website is related to an organization. This translation is performed dynamically by a service called DNS, nothing but domain name system. As we discussed in previous lectures, that how domain name system provides different types of domain. So this is all about the information and introduction and specification about domain, that how you, what is the exact meaning of domain. In next video module, we have practically understand how to book or how to register a domain name, right? So this is all about this video session. In upcoming session, we will continue the same course, e-commerce. Thank you.